How to turn on App Privacy Report on iPhone, like how often they access your location, microphone, or other permissions. The App Privacy Report feature can help. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll all the way down until you find App Privacy Report and tap on it. By default, this feature is turned off. To enable it, simply tap and turn it on by tapping OK. Once it's enabled, your iPhone will start collecting data in the background. It will show you details like which apps are accessing your permissions, how often they use things like your location or microphone, and even their network activity. At first, you may not see much data here because the report needs some time to collect information. But as you continue using your apps, this section will gradually fill up with detailed insights. This is a great privacy tool if you want to understand what data apps are using on your device. And that's how you turn on App Privacy Report on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and privacy guides.